Hi, my name is Joanne, and I'm one of the Family Community Health County Safety Agents for Texas A&M AgriLife Extension Hidalgo County. Walk Across Texas is an 8-week program that helps Texans establish a habit of physical activity. Today I'm going to show you how to line dance the boot scoot boogie. This line dance is modified to prevent any dizziness. I hope you find this modification enjoyable.
Okay, let's learn the boot scoot boogie. Let's get started. The first move is almost like the Wizard of Oz in my head, that's what I think. So it's like out, in, out, in. So you're just moving your heels like there's no place like home. Okay, let's practice that. Ready? Out, in, out, in. The next move is 4 counts. So we're gonna go heel, heel, toe, toe. All right, so 1, 2, 3, 4. Let's do that all together. Ready? 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. Perfect. Okay, the next one is heel together, stomp, stomp. Pretty easy, right? So let's do that. Let's do that together. Heel together, stomp, stomp. Let's do that all together. Here we go. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Heel together, stomp, stomp. Great, now we're gonna do it the other side. Here we go. Heel together, stomp, stomp. Perfect, let's do that all together. Ready? Out, in, heel, heel, toe, toe. Heel together, stomp, stomp. Heel together, stomp, stomp. Fantastic! Last moves, 4 grapevines. One that way, one the other way, one the other way, and the other way. All right, let's see. Here we go. So we're gonna start with our right. So here's 1 grapevine. We're going the other side. Last set. And you're done. Okay, let's do that all together now. Out, in, heel, heel, toe, toe. Heel together, stomp, stomp. Heel together, stomp, stomp. Then we go over here. Last time. We do it again. Out, in, heel, heel, toe, toe. Heel together, stomp, stomp. Heel together, stomp, stomp. Grapevine. There you go.